You're out at lunch, ready to eat a nice meal with a friend. Your phone rings. You don't recognize the number, and so you answer the phone. It's nobody that you know, it's nobody that you recognize. It's a pre-recorded message that tells you to hold for another important message or an operator. Then the phone hangs up. You quickly learn that these messages weren't intended for you, they were for somebody else. It's certainly not important, and it's incredibly frustrating. Who can leave these pre-recorded messages on your cell phone? And what can you do about it? Hi, I'm Ian Lyngklip. I'm a consumer protection attorney from Southfield, Michigan, and I love my job. Every day, I get to help real people with real problems, protecting consumers from debt collectors, credit reporting agencies, and car dealers. Today, many businesses use auto dialers and pre-recorded messages to blast out messages en masse. These messages to your cell phone are covered by the Telephone Consumer Protection Act, or the TCPA. Under that statute, a business can only call your cell phone if it's an emergency or if they have your prior express consent. Now, who has your consent? Certainly the people that you give your phone number to when you are applying for credit. So if your bank or your finance company is calling you with a message and you've given them your cell phone number, you've consented. That said, you have not consented to receive calls that were intended for somebody else, or calls that were made for the purpose of soliciting something from you. If you are getting calls of this nature, you need to keep a log. Now, you can get a log for free from my website at www.consumerlawyers.com. Fill out that log and keep a record of the date, time, and phone number from which you received every phone call that's coming to your cell phone using either an auto dialer or a pre-recorded message. If you've been getting these pre-recorded messages, your rights may have been violated. Why am I telling you all this? Because if you're watching this video right now, you probably had questions about who it is that can leave pre-recorded messages on your cell phone. If you still have those questions, call me at area code 248-208-8864 or email them to info@consumerlawyers.com. That's it for today's video. Thanks. I'm Ian Lyngklip. And remember, if you don't stand up for your rights, no one else will.